Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial. And today's tutorial is about how to fix a camera not working in Windows 11 computer. Due to different reasons, your camera may stop working. So on this video, we are going to cover 5 solutions to solve this problem. So let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 is checking your camera under privacy and security. So to check that, click here the search icon. Type here settings. Here the settings, then open the settings. Then after that you will find privacy and security here. Then select the privacy and security. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find under the app permissions camera. Then open the camera and make sure camera access is turned on. If this thing is turned off, so your application or your Windows operating system cannot access the camera. So make sure it's turned on. So when it's turned on, it will also activate all the other apps that can access your camera. In my case here, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Photo, and other applications are accessing the camera of the Windows 11 operating system. And check the specific application that you want is also accessing the camera. So the first solution is checking whether the camera access is turned on and turned off. And the second solution is perform a troubleshoot. So to perform a troubleshoot, again click the search icon and open the settings. Then after the settings, open under the system, you will find in the bottom troubleshoot. So select troubleshoot and you will find here other troubleshooter. Then open the other troubleshooter and you will find here camera option under the other troubleshoot. So click here run. So it will give you some question and answering session in order to fix the problem related with your camera. So here are some questions to answer. So answer yes and no for those questions, and the computer will also troubleshoot your problem. So if the second solution cannot help you, then the third solution would be updating your camera driver. So to update your camera driver, again click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open your device manager. So here under the device manager, you will find camera on the top. So click here the arrow and select the camera driver that you want to update. In my case here I have 2 camera drivers, but HP is the driver for the computer. So in your case it may be Dell or other computer. So select that specific driver, right click on it and select update driver. Then after you select update driver, it will ask you to how do you want to search for the driver. So select search automatically for the driver, and the base driver for your device are already installed. So close this and again check whether your problem is solved or not. Then the final solution for this video would be uninstalling your camera driver and reinstall back. Click here the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open your device manager. In order to uninstall the driver, again click here the camera and click here the arrow and select the driver and right click on it and select uninstall device, and it will ask you here uninstall device, which is warning you are about to uninstall the device from your system, and select here uninstall. So it will remove from your camera's category. So the driver is removed. Then select here action and click here scan for hardware changes. So it will scan and it will install the updated and the working version of the camera driver. So here it is installed on your computer. So these are the solution on how you can fix a problem related with a camera not working in Windows 11. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi Tech out.